Ever put on an outfit and felt invisible, like you were fading into the background? Or like something was just off, a nagging feeling that your clothes weren't quite representing who you are? I've seen it countless times in my work with clients. It's a common struggle, this disconnect between what we wear and how we want to be perceived. A woman walks in wearing neutral colors, beige, a sea of beige, gray, perhaps a muted gray, black, the go-to for so many, hoping to look safe or slimming, to blend in without making waves. But instead, she looks tired and washed out, almost as if the colors are draining the life right out of her. She blames her body, the shape she thinks isn't quite right, her hair, which never seems to cooperate, her age, feeling like she's past her prime. But the real culprit, the silent saboteur? The color she's wearing, or rather wearing. Color can either drain your energy, leaving you looking flat and lifeless, or make you shine, bringing out your best features and illuminating your inner radiance. I once convinced a client who swore she could wear red to just try on a vibrant red dress. Instantly, the change was remarkable. Her skin glowed, taking on a warmth and vibrancy it lacked before. Her eyes sparkled, reflecting the newfound light, and her confidence soared. She stood taller, smiled brighter, and simply radiated joy. That's not magic, though it certainly feels like it sometimes. It's the science of color, a fascinating and powerful tool that we can all learn to harness. The right color minimizes dark circles, those telltale signs of fatigue, smooths your skin, creating a more even and youthful complexion, and makes your features pop, highlighting your best assets and drawing attention to your natural beauty. The wrong color does the opposite, casting shadows where there shouldn't be any, making you look exhausted, even when you're not. Color is the fastest, cheapest makeover, a simple change that can have a profound impact. You can give yourself, instantly transforming your appearance and boosting your confidence. Think of your wardrobe as a toolbox filled with possibilities. Right now you might be using just a hammer, relying on the same few neutral shades day after day. Color theory gives you the full set of tools, expanding your options and empowering you to create a wider range of looks. To build a wardrobe that works for you, a collection of pieces that flatter your complexion and reflect your personality. It's about moving from guessing to knowing, from feeling uncertain to feeling confident in your choices. When you understand color, when you grasp the principles of what works and why, you take control of your image. You become the artist, and your wardrobe is your palette, every single day. Ready to learn how to unlock the power of color? Let's dive in and discover the transformative magic that awaits. Color theory isn't just for artists. It's your secret weapon for looking put together. It's a set of simple guidelines for how colors mix, match, and contrast. In fashion, color is your most powerful nonverbal tool. Before you speak, your clothes tell a story. The right colors amplify your message and confidence. Mastering color helps you shop smarter, build a versatile wardrobe, and always look vibrant. It's not about rigid rules. It's about making empowered choices. The way you present yourself matters. Learn the basics, and you'll know how to bend the rules with style. This is your foundation for a wardrobe that's authentically you. Remember the color wheel from art class? It's about to become your best friend. The wheel organizes all colors: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary colors, red, yellow, blue. They're bold and foundational. Secondary, orange, green, violet, created by mixing primaries. Tertiary, those in-between shades like teal, magenta, and chartreuse. In fashion, primaries make a statement. Secondaries add depth. Tertiaries bring sophistication. Understanding this hierarchy unlocks endless outfit possibilities. The color wheel is your map to effortless coordination. Let's use it to make every outfit intentional. Now slice the color wheel in half, warm on one side, cool on the other. Your skin has a temperature too. Matching it with your clothes creates harmony. Warm tones, reds, oranges, yellows, olive, cream. Think sunshine and fire. If you have a warm skin tone, these colors make you glow. Cool tones, blues, purples, emerald, fuchsia, pure white. Think water and sky. Cool undertones look best in these shades, making features pop. Use color schemes, monochromatic, one color, different shades. Analogous, colors next to each other, or complementary, opposites. Monochromatic is sleek, analogous is harmonious, complementary is bold. These formulas take the guesswork out of getting dressed. Match your temperature and you'll always look refreshed. It's that simple. Ready to find your best side? How do you know which colors flatter you? It's all about your undertone. Cool, warm, or neutral. Try the vein test. Blue or purple veins mean cool, green means warm, both means neutral. Jewelry test. Silver flatters cool tones, gold flatters warm. Both? You're likely neutral. Sun test, burn easily, cool, tan easily, warm. Eye and hair color offer clues. Blue-gray eyes and ashy hair are cool. Golden hazel eyes and warm hair are warm. Your undertone is the key to a flattering wardrobe. Once you know it, shopping and dressing become effortless. No more guessing, just glowing. Let's unlock your palette. Now, let's find your season's spring, summer, autumn, or winter. Each season has a palette tailored to your undertone and intensity. Spring's warm, bright, light, think peach, coral, turquoise. Summer's cool, soft, muted powder blue, lavender, dusty rose. Autumn's warm, deep, earthy mustard, terracotta, olive. Winter's cool, deep, high contrast, true red, cobalt, pure white, black. Your season narrows the color world to what flatters you most. No more confusion in the dressing room. It's not limiting, it's empowering. Your palette is your roadmap to looking fabulous. Embrace it, and shopping becomes a breeze. Let's see these palettes in action. Now that we've explored the theory behind seasonal color palettes, let's bring these concepts to life. We're going to translate these beautiful color schemes into wearable, real-world outfits that you can easily incorporate into your own style. We'll explore a range of styles and pieces that embody the essence of each season with real-world outfits. Get ready to see how these colors work in practice. First up, spring, think Cameron Diaz. A classic spring look, coral blazer, cream tee, light jeans. It's a palette that feels warm, clear, and energetic. Spring colors are all about radiating positivity and light. Avoid harsh black. It can overwhelm the delicate brightness of spring. Instead, embrace brightness for a fresh, chic look that captures the essence of the season. Next, summer, like Kate Middleton. Think of a dusty rose sweater, soft white trousers, complemented by a delicate silver necklace. The overall feel is gentle, cool, and sophisticated. Summer colors evoke a sense of calm and understated elegance. Stick to blended, soft colors. Harsh contrasts can be too jarring. And avoid intense warms, which can clash with the cool undertones of the summer palette. Now let's move on to autumn, Jennifer Lopez. Picture an olive jacket paired with a mustard top, dark denim, and a touch of warmth with gold hoops. The vibe is rich, earthy, and grounded. Autumn colors are all about warmth, depth, and connection to nature. Fall shades and spices are your power colors. They enhance your natural glow. It's best to skip icy pastels, as they don't align with the warmth of the autumn palette. Finally, winter, Anne Hathaway. A striking combination: cobalt coat, pure white blouse, black pants, and a pop of color with red lipstick. The overall impression is bold, high contrast, and striking. Winter colors are all about making a statement and commanding attention. Only winters can truly rock pure black and white, owning the stark contrast with confidence. Each season's palette creates harmony and confidence, enhancing your natural beauty. Notice how the right colors make features pop, bringing out your eyes, skin tone, and overall radiance. Use these examples as inspiration for your own wardrobe, creating a cohesive and flattering collection. Try outfits that match your season and see the difference. You'll be amazed at the impact it has. Color harmony is transformative, unlocking a new level of style and self-assurance. Ready to experiment and discover the magic of your seasonal color palette? You've found your undertone and season now. How do you mix colors? Use color harmonies within your palette for foolproof outfits. Monochromatic. One color, different shades, always chic, analogous. Colors next to each other. Harmonious and interesting. Complementary. Opposites on the wheel. Bold and dramatic. Always use your season's palette for the most flattering combinations. Mix and match confidently, knowing every color works for you. Start simple, then get creative. Your wardrobe is now a playground of possibilities. Let's avoid common mistakes next. Let's talk color mistakes. We all make them, but the good news is, they're easily avoidable once you know what to look for. We'll explore some of the most common color faux pas and how to dodge them, ensuring you always look your best. Biggest crime: wearing the wrong undertone. This is where many people stumble, choosing colors that clash with their natural complexion. A warm autumn in icy pink, or a cool summer in mustard. These combinations simply don't work. Instantly unflattering. It can make your skin look dull or even accentuate imperfections. Black isn't for everyone. It's a classic, but it can wash out certain complexions. Only winters truly shine in black. Their cool, clear skin tone is perfectly complemented by it. Others should opt for their best neutrals, colors that enhance, not detract from, their natural beauty. Camel, navy, espresso, or charcoal. These are versatile alternatives that work well for many. Capsule wardrobe myth. It doesn't have to be all beige and black. A capsule wardrobe can be just as vibrant and exciting as you are. Build your capsule around your best neutrals, the foundation of a versatile wardrobe, and accent colors from your palette. This adds personality and ensures every piece complements you. Don't fear color. It's a powerful tool for self-expression. Once you know your palette, use it. Embrace the colors that make you feel alive and confident. Start small. Add a scarf, a pop of color that can instantly brighten your face, or swap a cardigan for a color that flatters you. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. Color brings joy and confidence. It can transform not just your appearance, but your entire outlook. Don't hide behind neutrals. Step out of your comfort zone and explore the possibilities. Your palette is your playground. Have fun with it. Mix, match, and experiment. Discover new combinations and find what truly resonates with you. Avoid these crimes and your wardrobe will always work for you. Every piece will be a valuable asset. Embrace your colors. Let them become an integral part of your personal style. Let them help you shine. Radiate confidence and beauty from the inside out. Ready for your next step? It's time to unlock your full style potential. You've learned the secrets of color. Now it's your turn. Go to your closet and find one outfit in your seasonal palette. Wear it, take a photo, and notice how you feel. See how your skin glows and your confidence rises. This is just the start of your color journey. Experiment, play, and build a wardrobe that celebrates you. You deserve to feel amazing every day. If you need help, comment below with your hair, eye color, and vein test result. I'll suggest a power color for you to try. Don't wait, start shining now. The world is ready for the real you. Get dressed and show your colors. Let's do this together.